All right, so today was a pretty clean day. I made a very routine mistake that I've been making constantly. Anyone pause the video and guess the mistake I made? Who would be able to guess on this trade here, and then this trade that I missed here? Guess what mistake I made? Um, like always. But anyways, going into the day, what did I say yesterday? This low resistance liquidity wanted to be ran. I was expecting this to get ran so much sooner than we actually did. I was expecting this to get ran like from this. When this move came up here, I was expecting this to get ran on this. We didn't. We respected and we dumped. When we started getting the bigger time frame buy model from here, I knew we had to get buy side of the curve. I knew we'd get out of the all-time highs. And what do you know? We complete the model and we take out the all-time high. The buy model is complete. But anyways, this trend line, what did I say yesterday's video? None of these highs here, and here had been taken out. Maybe these two and this one. And I was like, it is going to be quick. It will be quick when we take out these highs. After we take out this high, this is a 4-hour chart. Boom. We take out 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. We take out 4 highs on one 4-hour candle and then take out all-time highs 2 candles later. I didn't expect it to be that crazy since, what day is it? The 16th. So the 15th. So in one day, we've pumped 360 points. We've pumped almost 600 points in 2 days. And then since this week, I think, or like Monday the 6th, since May has started, we have pumped over 1,000 points to all-time highs. Very bullish month. Anyways, that's what I was going into the day looking at. But that doesn't help us when the target to the upside has been taken. When we're at all-time highs, you know what that means. It means BS. It means a bunch of stupid stuff. So the only targets are internal. So what do we have? 8:30, we had red folder news. We had data highs going into the morning. I knew data highs was the draw. I wanted to see this 4-hour fair value gap get taken here. This 4-hour fair value gap get rebalanced into, which was conveniently this low. Which, what is that low on the lower time frame? This low here with a fair value gap underneath it. So I wanted to see that get taken to then push to the highs, data highs. Very, very clean look about it. The morning starts, we had these triple equal highs here. The market kind of just slowly buy models up. We take out the highs. We have a 5-minute fair value gap that we reject off of. We sell off and we create an SMT at the lows. So ES took this low, NQ didn't. And what happens? We instantly buy up. I was a little bit hesitant for this trade because we didn't take out this low over here to the left. And we had these lows here, but we did have an SMT, so I should have known that was valid. I'm going to check the 15-minute. We didn't make an SMT on the bigger time frame on ES, but we did have that SMT there. We took out the low on ES. We pump up and we create a fair value gap here on the 1 minute. As you can see, this 1 minute bullish, we trade into it, we hold it nicely, and we get a displacement candle and close above. This is where I should have jumped in longs. I should have gone to break even at this high and targeted the data highs. That's the trade I should have taken. I hesitated. We'll go over that eventually. But this is the model. We take the equal highs, we reject off a bigger time frame fair value gap, we dump, we make an SMT, we create a bullish fair value gap, so we deliver out of a fair value gap with an SMT, with data highs above in a bullish market. We inverse the big 1 minute with displacement, we stall, we hold the fair value gap, the stop loss would be below this. We pump up, go to break even, never get tested, and boom, data highs taken. The next trade, the trade I took was on the 5-minute break. Since I missed this trade, I was a little bit frustrated. And also, too, did we hold 30 minutes? No, we didn't hold anything there. We did inverse the 30-minute here, and we held it, but that's besides the point. The point of the matter is that we created a 5-minute SMT, a 5-minute fair value gap break, so inverse here. I jumped in long here, it kind of filled me a little higher. My stop loss was about a 1-to-1. I was targeting data highs, but we go through a little bit of drawdown. We rebalance to this 5-minute fair value gap to the upside right here. We hold the fair value gap. All looking good, but since the stall, as soon as it got up here, I got out of the trade. I closed early, which is a big mistake. I was nervous. I kind of was frustrated. I didn't get the better entry, and I closed early. And what do we get? Straight buy up to the data highs, which was my target, and we keep going. This is the model. Again, like yesterday, take a screenshot of this. This is a beautiful trading day. This is a great chart. This is exactly what I want to see. I need to build confidence in the fact that my model works, the Dodges model works, inverse fair value gaps work, ICT concepts work. It all works. It all works. I need to believe it. I need to take trades and hold them properly. Otherwise, I will never be successful in this. I will be successful because I know I can break these bad habits. But this is a beautiful chart. Everything that you expect to happen. We have these quad or triple equal highs. The market pushed off open. We hold fair value gaps on the way up. We don't displace much above the highs. We hold a bigger time frame fair value gap to the downside. We make an SMT at the lows. Inefficient price through here. What do we have? Sell off, SMT, buy back up, a fair value gap, an imbalance created. We hold the imbalance nice. We inverse the displacement move down. So we have targets above. At the time, we did create an SMT here, so it did kind of throw me off. We made an SMT, so I didn't enter down here. Because of the SMT, I probably would have entered if we didn't have an SMT. But then what happens? We hold the fair value gap nice. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 retest of it. We rip up. After we displace, we hold this 1 minute fair value gap here. Stop could move to this low, and we were on our way straight to the highs. Very clean. A 5-minute bullish fair value gap gets respected. The first 1 minute gets respected. Like, the first fair value gap will always work if you're on the right side of the market. This is a good spot to get in the trade. Put your stop here. If you got in here, wow, great risk to reward. I need to study this. I need to remember this. This is a beautiful chart. This looks exact. This is textbook, and I need to believe it's textbook. So anyways, that is what happened today, and I have to go over my mistake. I took a trade. I didn't take the first entry because I hesitated. I took a second entry. I don't mind the second entry, but it is not as good as the first one. And then I get out early. I cannot get out early. The biggest thing with trading and what I'm trying to get into today is the fact that I cannot worry about winning or making money. I have to worry about the skill of trading. The skill of trading today was jumping in on this setup here, on this candle, putting my stop loss here, and not giving a crap about anything that happens here. And it wasn't even that big of a test. And then letting it go. We go to break even. Don't even worry if it starts coming down, because you don't care if you get stopped at break even. And then price goes and we hit our take profit. Banger day, massive trading day. I need to get to the level where I worry about the skill. What is the skill? It's executing when you see your trade, taking only A+ setups, which is SMT, fair value gap, inverse, data highs above at break-even point. This is an A+ model. Executing as soon as you see the A+ model and not getting out early due to emotions. And that is a banger of a trade. That's the skill of trading. There's a difference between money and skill. The skill is finding good trades and following your rules. Making money can happen at any point. I need to not care about making money, passing evals, any of that, because it does not matter if I don't have the skill. If I don't develop the skill to get in here and hold the here, I will never make money long term. So why does it matter if I get in here and hold the here and place 5 contracts and make $1,000? That does not matter, because there's no skill there. They'll never be replicated and they'll never be consistent. I have to worry about the skill of trading, not the money. I'm drilling in my head. I'm getting better. The thing I've noticed, my biggest improvement is that I've been taking way less bad trades, and I've been executing on a lot more good setups, A-plus setups, being a lot more patient. But it's still, once I get in the trade, the emotions of, oh, I'm in it here. Oh, if it goes back to positive, I'll just get out because I don't want to lose. That is terrible. It is terrible, and that's the biggest mistake I'm making, but I'm drilling this in my head every single day. That's why I do these reviews. I review what I did wrong. I got out of the trade early. Everything else was spot on. The analysis was perfect. The trade was great. The target was great. The emotions have to go. Not much else to talk about, honestly, just keeping it quick today. And that's just one of the things I'm trying to hammer in. Anyone that's getting into trading, anyone that's seeing these videos that maybe trade similar, it's a similar spot in their trading, maybe just started trading, maybe is ahead of me in trading. Manage the emotions, worry about the skill. 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 That's all that matters is the skill. It does not matter. It does not impress me if someone trades 15 contracts and makes $30,000 one day, because that money is not yours if you don't have the skill. This isn't about money. This trading is not about money. Because if you want to make $30,000, just go to the casino or start a business or do something. Trading is a skill. Trading is not gambling. Trading is a skill that people cannot do without proper understanding and time and discipline and dedication. This is like being a professional athlete. You have to have skill. You have to have discipline. And it's you versus yourself. And once I master that, it will be over for the markets, for the funded accounts. I'm robbing everyone on the funded accounts. I'm taking all their money because there's nothing they're going to be able to do to stop me. Once I can get the skill executing perfectly, it is over. I just am drilling this into my head because this YouTube channel is for myself, for my growth, for my learning. Come on, Diego, you have to worry about the skill. The hardest part is that I'm sitting here on these trades and I'm worried about passing the eval or not losing on the day. And it's like, if I just execute on this trade down here, I get in the trade, I hold the trade. I don't worry about if it's going to stop me out at break even, stop me out for a loss, if it's going to win. I don't care about anything but the entry, where I place my stop loss, and where my take profit is. I need to start only executing on solid trades and holding the solid trades properly. Holding them properly, constantly. There should be nothing in between. Nothing else should matter. It shouldn't matter if I'm up on the day, down on the day, whatever. The only things I need to be focusing on for the summer, let's just put it the summer, next month, whatever, next day, next week, next year, I have to focus on, am I getting into a trade with a good plan that's A-plus model, and am I holding it? Because then I can find out, okay, what needs to change on the model, what's not working. I don't know what's not working because I don't hold the trades properly, and I'd probably be profitable. That's the sickest part about this whole game, is that I would be making money, I would be profitable, I would be consistent, I'd be passing evals, I'd be getting payouts if I just held my trades, if I just didn't execute with emotions, if I just placed a trade and walked away with a stop loss and take profit. One take profit, one stop loss, no worrying about break even, nothing like that. One entry, one setup, one stop loss, one take profit, walk away. I would be profitable. Without a doubt in my mind, but it's mental roadblocks that are holding everyone that's trading back. And it's just because I want to win. I want to make money to prove that I know what I'm doing, because I feel like I need to make money to prove that I am getting better at trading, which is not the case. I am getting better. People can see in these videos. I can see it in my daily self. I know I'm getting better. I can read the markets. I can't even believe I can read the markets as well as I can. And I'm not some master. I'm not some guru. But reading the markets like this, knowing that's going to target data high, seeing the SMT, seeing the inverse fair value gap, knowing when to get in, knowing what's going to hold, knowing what's going to get respected. This is unbelievable that I've been able to learn this. Like, I'm really proud of myself for what I've been able to learn and achieve and get better at trading. And I just need to put that final piece. There's a piece missing from the puzzle over here that just needs to be put into place. And it's just discipline, psychology, mental, emotions in the trades. I find the trades. That's the easy part. I find the trades. I find the trades, I find the setups, I know where the market's going. I need to put the last piece of just holding, being disciplined, focus on the skill. I'm not going to just keep recording this, getting long, whatever, but just focus on the skill, focus on the skill, focus on the skill. The results will come with the skill. Money doesn't matter. It's the skill. If I'm skilled, I will make money. If I make money, I might not be skilled. If I'm not skilled, I won't be long-term. If I am skilled, I'll be long-term. There is no downside to getting more skilled and focusing on the skill of trading. That's why I'll leave you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow, Friday. Wrap up the week. Hopefully we have a good day and finish the week strong. And then we just go into next week and we kill it. So I love making these videos. I love trading. I love getting better. I'm really, honestly, we're going to end the day. I'm going to list some things I'm grateful for. I'm grateful to be able to trade. I'm in a blessed situation that I can trade, not worry about making money right away because I'm able to work and make money. I'm grateful for finding trading because it gives me something to do, something I love doing, something I'm passionate about getting better at. I like making these videos. I'm grateful for the YouTube channel. I'm grateful for YouTube because I learned a lot about trading on YouTube. I'm grateful for my family because my family supports me. My family loves me. I'm grateful for where I live. I live in a great spot in Florida. It's beautiful. I'm grateful for a lot of things, and I'm grateful for today. I'm grateful for the mistakes I made today and being able to learn from my mistakes and getting better today. I'm just very grateful for the opportunities I've been given, and I'm very happy today and it's a very nice day. It's a beautiful day outside. Good trading day. We end the morning at 12. It's a great morning, great work day. We got better, we learned. We got to make this video. I'm grateful to be up. I'm able to hit a run later today. I'm able to move my body. I'm healthy for now. I'm grateful for all these things. And that's something too that I want to work on, is just being more grateful, being more appreciative of the opportunity. I have a great opportunity with trading, and I need to take advantage of it. I need to do better. But just focus on the skill, be grateful, be honest, be a good person, work on the skill, and it will come in time. I'm telling you, it will come. This is literally me talking to myself. This video, I'm going to come back to this video when it's working. It's just, and then it'll be like a light bulb moment. Like, man, I can't believe I was holding myself back. But yeah, that's why I want to end the video talking about things I'm grateful for, because I think I'm not. Can't wait for the sickness to go away. But yeah, I mean, sometimes I forget about how blessed I am, and how lucky I am, and how grateful I am for things. And I don't want to take anything for granted because I am in a great situation where I can even do this. Trading is a fantastic thing that most people will never be able to do. Time, money, whatever the case is, it's not meant for everyone anyways, but I'm just very blessed to be in this situation to trade. And I can't let bad days, can't let mistakes bother me. It's all process. I got better today. I only made $18 on my eval account. I missed out on a $400 trade, but it doesn't matter. I got to see that trade. I got to see my strategy work again. I got to see my strategy play out. I got to see the trade before it happened. I got to call it out in my head. I didn't take it. I'm building conviction. I'm building confidence in the model. I'm reinforcing that I cannot get out of trades early. And that's the thing, is at least I know my mistakes. I'm grateful that I know the mistakes I'm making. I know my model, and I know the mistakes I'm making, and then I can fix mistakes. You can fix mistakes. There's some things you can't fix. If you don't know what it is, you can't fix it. If you know your mistakes, you can fix it. And I can fix my mistakes. I don't know why it's taking me so long and so many days that I keep doing the same thing, but we will get there, and we will kill the markets. Grateful for the people that watch this video, even though I do this again for myself, but it is cool to see the numbers go up. We're at 86 subscribers now, which is really, really dang cool. So I'm grateful for that. I'll see you guys tomorrow, like I said before, Friday, wrap up the week. But yeah, beautiful day outside. Hopefully you guys get outside and enjoy the day. If you had a bad day trading, bro, don't worry about it. I've had terrible days trading. I've had good days trading. It's all a part of the process. Don't worry about the day. And don't worry about today's outcome. Just worry about the habits and picking yourself back up, because that's the most beautiful part about trading. You're just picking yourself back up after a bad day, learning from it, and doing better. There's nothing like it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.